Hello students, will practice Sanskrit reading today. I'll read the passage given in your textbook, that is Samskrita Sambhashanabhyasaha. अध्यापकः अरे मम प्रिय छात्री प्रतिभा सुप्रभातं वत्से कथं त्वमिह आगता अद्य. The student Pratibha, she is answering, अयि भोः श्रीमन् भवन्तम् अभिवन्दे. अध्यापकः अस्तु सुभाषिषः वत्से किमिदम् आश्चर्यं त्वमत्र. प्रतिभा श्रीमन् अहं भवन्तं कलाशालाम् इमां च द्रष्टुं बहुभ्यः दिवसेभ्यः प्रयतन्ती अस्मि. भगवतः कृपया भवतां वात्सल्यकारणेन च अद्य आगन्तुम् अवकाशः लब्धः. अध्यापकः महान् सन्तोषः. त्वम् इदानीन्तने कुत्र वससि, किं करोषि. प्रतिभा पित्रोः भवादृशानां गुरूणां च आशीर्वादबलेन सर्वकारसम्बन्धिन्यां कस्याश्चन संस्थायां कार्यावेक्षकपदवीं प्राप्तवती. अध्यापकः वदति, एवं कियद् आनन्ददायिनीं वार्तां श्रावितवती वत्से. वयं जानीमः निरन्तराध्ययनतत्पराः विनयशीलिनः छात्राः अवश्यम् उत्तमां पदवीं प्राप्नुवन्ति इति. वयं प्रतिदिवसं त्वादृशान् उद्दिश्य विचारयामः वत्से. प्रतिभा अहमपि अनुदिनं भवतः स्मरामि श्रीमन्. भवतां गम्भीरस्वरं वात्सल्यपूर्विकां शिक्षणपद्धतिं च अनुपदं स्मरामि. अध्यापकः साधु वत्से साधु. प्रतिभा किन्तु अहं सर्वथा चिन्ताम् अनुभवामि यदहं सम्यक्तया संस्कृतम् अध्येतुं तस्यां भाषायां स्वाधिकारतां प्राप्तुं प्रयत्नं न कृतवती इति. अध्यापकः किमर्थं तथा ब्रवीषि वत्से. त्वया सर्वथा 100 अङ्काः अधिगताः किल. प्रतिभा सत्यमेव तत्. 100 अङ्कास्तु प्राप्ताः मया. किन्तु इदानीं चिन्तयामि यत् तदा संस्कृतस्य औन्नत्यं, भाषायाः माधुर्यं, पाठ्यांशैः बोधितां नीतिं च ज्ञातुं न कदापि प्रयतितं मया. अधिकाः अङ्काः प्राप्तव्या इत्येव चिन्तितम्. अध्यापकः मास्तु चिन्ता वत्से. त्वयि संस्कृतिः वर्तते. अतः यदा अवकाशः लभ्यते तदा तान् पाठ्यांशान् सर्वान् एकैकशः अभ्यसितुं प्रयत्नं कुरु. प्रतिभा श्रीमन् भवद्भिः उक्तम् आभाणकम् अनभ्यासे विषं शास्त्रमिति प्रतिदिवसं स्मरामि. यावत् कर्तव्यमासीत् विद्यां संस्कृतं च अधिगन्तुं तावत् न कृतम् अस्माभिः. अध्यापकः वत्से प्रतिभे व्यथिता मा भव. न केवलं त्वमेव, सर्वे छात्राः साधारणतया त्वादृशा एव. अध्ययनकाले आचार्येण बोध्यमानान् विषयान् न शृण्वन्ति. स्मरसि त्वं पाठ्यांशान्. एतादृशाः पाठ्यांशाः प्रणाल्यां निक्षिप्ताः ये धर्मं बोधयन्ति, सदाचारम् अवगमयन्ति, नीतिं बोधयन्ति, यूनः सर्वान् सन्मार्गे प्रवर्तयन्ति, उत्तमं कर्म आचरितुं प्रेरयन्ति, परेभ्यः उपकर्तुं प्रोत्साहयन्ति, हितं प्रापयन्ति. प्रतिभा स्मरामि श्रीमन् स्मरामि. भवद्भिः सह भाषणं कुर्वन्ती अहं नैकान् पदे पदे भवद्भिः बोधितान् स्मरामि. अध्यापकः किं किं स्मरसि वत्से. सङ्घे शक्तिः कलौ युगे इति बोधितं मया. स्मर्यते वा त्वया. प्रतिभा हा सम्यक् स्मरामि. तत्र जनाः सर्वे परस्परं स्नेहभावेन स्युः, सर्वे मिलित्वा कार्यं कुर्युः, छात्राणां मनसि न कदापि द्वेषभावः स्यात्। अध्यापकः: साधूक्तं वत्से, महान्तम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि। पुनः एकवारम् अध्यापनसमये मया अनुभूताम् उद्विग्नतां स्मरामि। प्रतिभा: श्रीमन्, भवद्भिः उक्तानुसारं संस्कृतभाषायाः अध्ययनेन भारतीयसंस्कृतिं पुनरुज्जीवयितुं शक्नुमः। भारते परिव्याप्तां दुष्टां पाश्चात्यनीतिम् अपाकर्तुं शक्नुमः। अध्यापकः: सत्यं प्रतिभे, संस्कृताध्ययनेन विषतुल्यं पाश्चात्यसम्प्रदायम् अस्मात् देशात् पलायितं भवति। प्रतिभा: श्रीमन्, अद्य आरभ्य पुनः संस्कृतम् अध्येतुं प्रयतिष्ये। इयमस्ति मम प्रतिज्ञा। इदानीमहम् अङ्कानां कृते संस्कृतं न पठामि, किन्तु संस्कृते स्थितां ज्ञाननिधिम् अवगन्तुं निरन्तरां यतिष्ये। अध्यापकः: साधु साधु प्रतिभे, तव विचारधारया अहम् अत्यन्तं प्रसन्नः। किन्तु न केवलं तद्वत्से, कार्यालये वा भवतु, गृहस्य समीपे वा भवतु, संस्कृते स्थितं ज्ञानराशिं सर्वान् अवबोधयितुं त्वया प्रययितव्यम्। साधयतु पुनः कदापि एवमेव अत्र आगच्छतु। शिवास्ते पन्थानः सन्तु। यदिच्छसि तत् प्राप्नोतु। शुभमस्तु। सहनाववतु, सहनौ भुनक्तु, सह वीर्यं करवावहै, तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is the small passage given in your book with the title Samskrita Sambhashanabhyasah. I hope you could follow some of the words, my dear students. Still, once again, I'll explain each and every word. This is a conversation between the teacher and the student. A student visits her teacher after a long time. Once she gets settled in her occupation, she comes to see her guru, and the conversation goes like this. Adhyapakaha. Adhyapakaha means the teacher. He could recognize the student. That's the great thing here. Usually teachers don't remember the students. Students remember the teachers. But here Adhyapaka, soon after he sees the student, he welcomes her with her name. Are, mama priya chhatri Pratibha. This exclamation tells how surprised he is to see his beloved student. Are, mama priya chhatri. He is expressing it evidently. Oh, my dear student Pratibha, you are here. Suprabhatam vatse. Good morning, my dear child. Katham tvamiha agata adya. How come that you are here today? Pratibha, she is so happy that she has been recognized by her teacher. Aibhok Shriman, Bhavantam Abhivande. Oh, my sir, I am making a salutation. It is my namaskarams. Adhyapakaha. Astu Shubhasashah vatse. My blessings are with you, my dear child. Kimidam asharyam tvamatra. How surprised it is that you are here. How kimidam asharyam tvamatra. Tvam means you. You are here. What a surprise it is. Pratibha. Shriman. Shriman means sir. Aham bhavantam kalashalam imam cha drashtum bahubhyaha divasebhyaha prayatanti asmi. I have been trying to see you in the Kalashala, that is the college here. Bahubhyaha divasebhyaha, for a long time, for many days I have been thinking of coming here to see you. Prayatanti asmi. Prayatanti means prayatnam karomi. I have been trying. Bhagavatah krupaya bhavatam vatsalya karanena cha भवतां वात्सल्यकारणेन च अद्य आगन्तुम् अवकाशः लब्धः. And today I got the chance to come here and see you because of the God's grace and also because of your affection. These two things have made me come here, made me possible to come here and meet you. Bhagavatah Krupaya Bhavatam Vatsalya Karanena. These two are both are instrumental case because of your grace and also because of the God's grace and because of your affection that I could come here. Avakashaha means chance. I got an opportunity to come here and to see you. Agantum avakashaha labdhaha maya. Adhyapakaha. Mahan santoshaha. Oh, I'm quite happy, very greatly happy. त्वमिदानीन्तने कुत्र वससि किं करोषि? Where you are here? Where are you all these days? And what are you doing? Kutra vasasi, where you are now staying? And kim karoshi, what are you doing right now? Then Pratibha answers, Pitroh bhavadrushanam gurunam ja ashirvada balena sarvakaram sambandhinyam kasyanchana samsthayam karya avekshaka padavim praptavati. She says that due to the blessings of the parents and also because of the blessings of gurus like you, I could get a job as a manager in a government institute. Sarvakara Sambandhinyam means the organization run by the government. Kasyanshan Samsthayam in some organization that has been associated to the government. I am working as a Karya Avechaka. Karya Avechaka means manager. Padavi means place. Padavi Praptavati. I could get such a good placement just because of the blessings of my father, my parents, and teachers like you. She is so obedient and humble, and she gives the credit to the teacher and the parents. Then Adhyapakaha. Oh, evam. Kiyadanandadayinim vartam shravitavati vatse. Oh, what a good news you have made me listen to, my dear child. वयं जानीमः निरन्तराध्ययनतत्पराः विनयशीलिनः छात्राः अवश्यम् उत्तमां पदवीं प्राप्नुवन्ति इति. We know that the students who are quite studious and who are so obedient, they are sure to get good place in their life. वयं प्रतिदिवसं त्वादृशान् उद्दिश्य विचारयामः वत्से. Oh my child, even we'll be thinking of students like you daily. Vayam pratidivasam twadrishan uddishya vicharayamaha vatse. Vatse means my child. Pratibha. Ahamapi anudinam bhavatah smarami shriman. Oh sir, even I remember you daily. Bhavatam gambhiraswaram vatsalya purvikam sikshana paddhatim cha anupadam smarami. Every minute I'll be thinking about your great voice, Gambhiraswaram, which is so Gambhira, and the way you teach in a very affectionate manner. Vatsalya Purvikam Sikshana Paddhatim. Sikshana Paddhatim means the way of teaching, how affectionate it was with compassion. You used to teach us, and you had a very great and gentle voice, Gambhiraswaram. She is remembering the voice dearly and also the way they have been treated by the teacher in an affectionate manner. Adhyapakaha. Sadhu vatse sadhu. Oh, it's fine, my child, he says. Then Pratibha is continuing her conversation. किन्तु अहं सर्वथा चिन्ताम् अनुभवामि यत् अहं सम्यक्तया संस्कृतम् अध्येतुं तस्यां भाषायां स्वाधिकारतां प्राप्तुं प्रयत्नं न कृतवती इति. But I always repent that I did not try to learn Sanskrit in the way it has to be learned, sir. And I have not gained any command over the language. I have never tried to gain command over the language. Tasyam bhashayam swadhikaratam praptum prayatnam na krutavati iti. I have not made any attempt to know the to gain the command over the language, and also I did not put enough efforts to learn it in a proper way. Then अध्यापकः किमर्थं तथा ब्रवीषि वत्से त्वया सर्वथा शतमङ्काः अधिगताः किल? Why you feel bad, my dear child? Always you used to get 100 marks, you used to score 100 in your language. In your exams, always you got 100 marks. Anka means marks. Kimartham tadha Ravish would say. Why do you say like that, my dear child? You used to get 100 marks every time in your exam. Pratibha to student is answering him. Satyameva tat. No doubt it's true. Satyameva tat. It's true. Shatam ankastu praptah maya. No doubt I got 100 marks. किन्तु इदानीं चिन्तयामि यत् तदा संस्कृतस्य औन्नत्यं भाषायाः माधुर्यं पाठ्यांशैः बोधितां नीतिं च ज्ञातुं न कदापि प्रयतितं मया. But now I feel bad. I repent that I did not notice or I did not put any efforts to know the sublimity of the great language, Sanskritasya aunatyam, the nobility of the language. Bhashaya Madhuryam, the sweetness of the language, Pathyam Shaikh Bodhitam Nitim Jagnatum, and also the morals that have been conveyed through the Pathyam Shah, the textual passages that never I have tried to know. Athikaah Ankaah Praptavya Ityeva Chintitam. All the time I was concentrating only to gain marks, but never I have concentrated on the subject. This is what every student does. They just want to gain marks, but never they try to understand the meaning of the letter and spirit in the language. All the students do the same mistake, and this is not like even Pratibha is not an exception, but later she repents that she should not have done like that. Always she wanted to get marks, but never she has focused to know the good things and the good ethics and the morals that have been conveyed through her textual passages. And never she had attempted in enjoying the beauty or the sweetness of the language and the nobility of the language. Usually Sanskrit is adopted, Sanskrit has been accepted as second language because people think that it is a scoring subject. Never they concentrate on the great things that have been told through the language and literature. Their concentration is only for the percentage of marks. And Pratibha, after she had completed her education, now comes to know what mistake she had made. And very sincerely and obediently, she is confessing it to her teacher. Then Adhyapakaha. Mastu chinta vatse ma astu. Ma means don't. Don't feel bad, my dear child. Tvayi samskritihi vartate. You are a good student. You are a cultured student. Samskritihi, you have good conduct. It's enough. अतः यदा अवकाशः लभ्यते तदा तान् पाठ्यांशान् सर्वान् एकैकशः अभ्यसितुं प्रयत्नं कुरु. You are good enough that at least you are confessing. You have that culture, and no, don't repeat for what had happened. Whenever you get any chance, you go through all those paఠ్యాంశాs, all those topics once again that have been told in your syllabus, and try to learn them. Abhyasitum prayatnam kuru. You try to learn them. Pratibha, the girl is answering, the student is answering the Guru. Shriman Bhavatbhihi Uktam Abhanakam anabhyase visham shastram iti pratidivasam smarami. She says, sir, you used to say that anabhyase visham shastram. If you don't do exercise, even the shastra becomes poison. Means it's not digested. So daily you have to practice. Daily you have to keep on practicing what you have learned. Otherwise it's forgotten. You used to tell us, and daily I remember that proverb. Bhavadbhi uktam abhanakam. Abhanakam means it's a kind of proverb. Whatever proverb you told, that is anabhyase visham shastram. When it is not learned, even the visha becomes the poison. That I used to remember daily. Yavat kartavyam asit vidyam sanskritam cha adhigantum tavat na kritam asmabhihi. And once again I say that whatever effort has to be put, yavat kartavyam, what was the responsibility? Vidyam sanskritam cha adhigantum, to get good education and also to learn Sanskritam. Tavat na kritam asmabhihi, that effort hasn't been made by us. Asmabhihi na kritam. Then Adhyapakaha, the teacher is answering, he is consoling her. Vatse Pratibhe, oh my dear child Pratibha, Vyathita ma bhava, don't be grieved, don't feel bad. Vyathita ma bhava, don't grieve. न केवलं त्वमेव सर्वे छात्राः साधारणतया त्वादृशा एव. It's not only you, न केवलं त्वमेव. Almost all the students are like you. What's the common factor? They just neglect the studies but concentrate only on the marks. It's not you alone who did that mistake. So don't feel bad. अध्ययनकाले आचार्येण बोध्यमानान् विषयान् न शृण्वन्ति. They never listen to the topics that have been told by the teacher at the time of their studies. अध्ययनकाले आचार्येण बोध्यमानान् विषयान् न शृण्वन्ति. Never they listen to the topics taught by the teacher. Smarasitvam पाठ्यांशम्. Do you at all remember the topics that were told in your syllabus? Smarasitvam paఠ్యాంశः. Do you remember them? एतादृशाः पाठ्यांशाः प्रणाल्यां निक्षिप्ताः. What kind of topics have been given in your syllabus? What are the topics he is listing out? Ye dharmam bodhayanti. The stories that deal about dharma, that tell about dharma, teach about dharma. Sadacharam avagamayanti, the topics which make you understand about sadachara, that is good practice, good behavior, good conduct. Nitim bodhayanti, that tell about the morality and ethic. Yunah sarvam sarmarge pravartayanti, which makes the youth go in right path. Uttamam karma acharitum prerayanti, and which instigate or inspire you to do good things. Uttamam karma, the best things. Acharitum means to follow. Prerayanti means will inspire. The stories are the things that make you, that inspire you to take up good things, ideal things. Parebhyaha upakartum protsahayanti, the things which encourage you to help others. Hitam prapayanti, the stories which make you gain or attain hitam. Hitam means best, welfare, good things in the life. All these are the topics that have been taught. Do you remember any of these topics? Pratibha. Smarami Shriman Smarami. Oh sir, I remember. भवद्भिः सह भाषणं कुर्वन्ती अहं नैकान् पदे पदे भवद्भिः बोधितान् स्मरामि. When I am talking to you, I am coming to know, I am recollecting what are the topics that have been taught by you. Naika pade pade bhavatbhihi bodhitan smarami naikan. Not one or two, but many things I am remembering when I am talking to you again now. अध्यापकः किं किं स्मरसि वत्से सङ्ख्ये शक्तिः कलौ युगे इति बोधितं मया स्मर्यते वा त्वया Teacher is testing. Oh, you are saying that you remember it every day, whatever I told you, that you have been practicing in your daily life. Kim smarasi vatse? What do you remember, my child? Do you remember the proverb? Sanghe Shaktihi Kalau Yuge? Sangha means united. Sanghe Shaktihi. The actual strength comes when we are united. And Kalau Yuge. In Kali Yuga, what is the real strength? It's the strength of unity. Unity is the strength is the dharma of Kali Yuga. Do you remember that I taught you? Iti bodhitam maya smaryate va tvaya? Do you remember that? Pratibha. Ha, samyak smarami. Yes, sir, I remember it very well. तत्र जनाः सर्वे परस्परं स्नेहभावेन स्युः सर्वे मिलित्वा कार्यं कुर्युः छात्राणां मनसि न कदापि द्वेषभावः स्यात्. Yes, sir, I used to remember that you used to tell us that we have to be friendly with each other, to each other. Sarve militva karyam kuryuhu, and all people shall take up the assignment collectively. That is team spirit. You used to tell us, teach us, Sarve militva karyam kuryuhu. Any work shall be done by all. Chhatranam manasina kadapi dveshabhavaha syat, and there shall not be hatred among students. These are all the good things you have taught us. I remember, sir. Then Adhyapakaha, Sadhuktam Vatse, O child, you have spoken in a very nice way. Well said, my dear child, well said. Mahantam Anandam Anubhavami. I am extremely happy that you remember everything. पुनः एकवारम् अध्यापनसमये मया अनुभूताम् उद्विग्नतां स्मरामि. Once again I remember those feelings. I am getting emotional remembering those days where I taught you. अध्यापनसमये मया अनुभूताम् उद्विग्नतां स्मरामि. Udvignata means emotion. I am again listening to the words from the student. The teacher is so happy that he is remembered. His teaching is remembered. That's why he expresses that. Once again, I feel that as if I am now in the class teaching you all about all these good things. Udvignatam smarami. I feel, I remember the feel I had when I taught you. प्रतिभा श्रीमन् भवद्भिः उक्तानुसारं संस्कृतभाषायाः अध्ययनेन भारतीयसंस्कृतिं पुनरुज्जीवयितुं शक्नुमः. Sir, as you said, we can revive the culture once again by the study of Sanskrit. भारतीयसंस्कृतिं पुनरुज्जीवयितुं शक्नुमः. We are able to regenerate the culture of India. भारते परिव्याप्तां दुष्टां पाश्चात्यनीतिम् अपाकर्तुं शक्नुमः. And also we are able to throw away the bad culture that had been spread by the Westerners. Bharate Parivyaptam, already it has spread the whole India. What culture? The Western culture. Dushtam Paschatya Nitim Apakartum. We can get away with the bad culture that has been spread by the West in our East. Adhyapakaha. He is so happy to see a cultured student, a student who was inspired him in letter and spirit because of his teaching, and he congratulates her. Satyam Pratibhe. It's true, Pratibha. संस्कृताध्ययनेन विषतुल्यं पाश्चात्यसम्प्रदायम् अस्मात् देशात् पलायितं भवति. As you said, by the study of Sanskrit, people will get good qualities they become more and more ethical and moral in conduct, and this poisonous culture will be swept away by our Indian culture. पाश्चात्य संप्रदायम अस्मात् देशात् पलायितं भवति. It gets done. It gets away from our country. प्रतिभा श्रीमन् अद्य आरभ्य पुनः संस्कृतम् अध्येतुं प्रयतिष्ये. इयमस्ति मम प्रतिज्ञा. इदानीमहम् अङ्कानां कृते संस्कृतं न पठामि, किन्तु संस्कृते स्थितां ज्ञाननिधिम् अवगन्तुं निरन्तरं यतिष्ये. Then the student is making a promise to her teacher. Sir, from today onwards, I make a promise that I'll be putting my efforts sincerely, that I'm not going to study Sanskrit just for marks, but I'm going to get the real knowledge, and I'll be working only for that hereafter. इदानीमहम् अङ्कानां कृते संस्कृतं न पठामि. I am not going to read Sanskrit only for the sake of marks. किन्तु but संस्कृते स्थितां ज्ञाननिधिम् अवगन्तुं निरन्तरं यतिष्ये. I am going to put my efforts hereafter. Nirantaram means incessantly, without any stop, without any break, to gain the real knowledge that has been in Sanskrita Vangmaya, established in Sanskrita Vangmaya, or conveyed in through Sanskrita Vangmaya. Adhyapakaha, the sir, the teacher, is saying, Sadhu Sadhu Pratibhe, well done, well, my dear student Pratibha. Tava vicharadharaya aham atyantam prasannaha. I am quite moved by your thoughts, by your way of approach towards this language. Tava vicharadharaya aham atyantam prasannaha. I am very much happy with your concern and with your perspective towards the language. Kintu na kevalam tatvatse. Oh my child, that's not enough. कार्यालये वा भवतु, गृहस्य समीपे वा भवतु, संस्कृते स्थितं ज्ञानराशिं सर्वान् अवबोधयितुं त्वया प्रयतितव्यम्. That's what has been said. Swadhyayat ma pramadah, in your Shishyanushasana lesson. What has been said there? One shall study the education of their family, and one should also spend time in pravachana. Swadhyaya pravajanabhyam na pramaditavyam. One shall learn and one shall propagate what has been learned. That's what the teacher says here. Not only that, my dear child, don't read it for yourself, but what you are supposed to do. कार्यालये वा भवतु, गृहस्य समीपे वा भवतु, संस्कृते स्थितं ज्ञानराशिं सर्वान् अवबोधयितुं त्वया प्रयतितव्यम्. You have to see that you are going to spread the gnana everywhere. Avabodhayitum tvaya prayatitavyam. You have to spread what you have learned, either at your workplace or at your home. साधयतु पुनः कदापि एवमेव अत्र आगच्छतु. Now you may take leave, my dear child. You may be getting late. Again you can come. Kadapi एवमेव अत्र आगच्छतु. Come once again like this only. Make a visit here. Shivaste panthanah santu. May your path be auspicious, holy. Shivahte panthanah santu. May you have all prosperous times. Yadichyasi tat prapnotu. May you gain what you desire for. May your wish be fulfilled. Shubhamastu. May you have good luck, my child. Then he concludes his conversation saying a farewell to the student. What he says, that's the usual mantra which we read at the beginning or at the end of any patham. Sahanavavatu, sahanau punaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvina तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै Om Shanti 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 Sahanavavatu. Let us protect each other. Sahanau avatu. Ava means protection. Let us protect each other, the student and teacher. And Sahanau Bhunaktu. May we enjoy together, that is, eat together. And Sahaviryam Karavavahai. May we exert for the welfare of all. Let us put our strength for the benefit of all. Tejasvinau avadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Let we be bright, prosperous, and let us not hate each other. Ma vidvishavahai. This is the greatest mantra that has to be recited by the teacher and the taught. And it has been the practice from the times of Veda, from the Upanishads time, that this mantra is recited at the end or at the beginning of any lesson. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Oh, there let there be peace, peace, peace. With this wish, the teacher concludes his conversation with his dear student Pratibha. My dear student, I hope you too remember me and come to see me whenever you come to the college. If I am there, try to meet your teacher, not only me. Any teacher will be happy to see their students, come to them, remembering them, and also feeling thankful to them for the knowledge they have given or for the conduct they have taught. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you, my dear students. In next class, we'll study the participle forms which is in your syllabus. Here I stop. Bye.